So I've put 1,000 miles on my 116 now. I've tried different tunes. Some run better than others. It seems like each one sort of has its little issues. So I have one that is doing pretty good, and I like it. It has better throttle response. I just want to make sure my bike is running properly and I'm not running too lean. So I went to Ryderz Choice in San Jose and did some dyno runs just to make sure everything's okay. And I went ahead and had them actually drill the headers to put in the wide bands. That way you get a better reading almost directly. They're like that far out of the head. So if you do the tailpipe method, it can suck some air and things like that. And it's a delayed response for the air fuel readings. So now I have these little like little bung things in there that has a screw in it. So if I ever want to get it checked again, I can get it checked real easily. So they checked it. And I was fine with this tune that I have in there right now that I like. The air fuel ratios are good. The power curves looks really good. I got good throttle response. I'll let you guys go ahead and see some of the runs. They let me go ahead and film in there as they were checking the bike. So take a look at a couple of the runs I did. So what'd you guys think? You could see that the air fuel mixture is pretty steady and that the power curves are pretty nicely curved and doesn't seem to have any real dips in it, even though I do have true dual exhaust. The power numbers, as you can see from this graph, the power numbers are not as high as you'd expect, but yes, this dyno that I had the bike on is on the conservative side. And I'm also running California gas, which does not help. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Later.